Today I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair into a fluffy croissant-like style. It's one of the easy, dolly hairstyles that are great for an everyday look. What you're gonna need is a brush, some hair clips, a curling iron, hairspray, and if you like, a hair accessory. Let's get started! Now first brush and detangle your hair, then part your hair in the middle, and if you like, also separate your bangs. Use the clips on all 3 sections to keep your hair in place. Take one strand of hair from one side. Carefully wrap your hair around the curling iron. Wait a few seconds until you gently start moving the curling iron downwards to the tip of your hair. Repeat this twice or more if necessary, until you got a big and soft curl like this. Take your second strand of hair and just do the same steps again. Finally, twist the curl and apply hairspray. There you have your first croissant curl. For the other side, it's just the same process. Twist and apply hairspray. Now the 2 sides are curled just like warm and snuggly croissants. Release your bangs from the clip and the hairstyle is complete. Except if you want to go for a more playful look, lift the croissant curls up and tie them with a hair accessory to get dolly pigtails. Whatever look you'll wear, this hairstyle will certainly be a sweet touch. I hope you guys like this French pastry inspired idea and most importantly, have fun trying it out. Bye bye!